Alright, as you can see, I have two, what are these? I can't tell if they're reamed or rood or whatever. Are they reamed?
The roots.
Oh, they're roods. Oh. And we got two roods sitting here, as you can see. Got a bad breaker. Well, neither one of them was running. And this one here had two low voltage broken wires in the furnace. So I fixed those. Got it running. I've got it turned off right now because they're really noisy. Then I go to check this one, and there's no power. And so here's what I find. So I, just to check everything, I got my Megger out. And attach the leads to the compressor. Bad. So, got a bad compressor in the damn thing. So anyway, so I'm gonna put it back together, let her know she got a bad compressor, and go on to the next call.